Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best smart humidifier to improve your indoor air quality with convenience and modern features, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best smart humidifiers available today. These devices are selected based on smart features, performance, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Dario 6L Humidifiers for Bedroom, Smart Warm and Cool Mist for Large Room, 60 hours Quiet Runtime for Baby, Plant, Humidity Sensor, Indicator Light, 12H Timer, Google/Alexa, HM713S. The Dario 6L Smart Humidifier is designed for users who want maximum comfort control in large bedrooms and living spaces. With a generous 6-liter water tank, it delivers up to 60 hours of continuous runtime, making it ideal for overnight use, nurseries, and plant rooms without frequent refills. One of its biggest advantages is dual warm and cool mist output. Cool mist is perfect for summer or general daily use, while warm mist helps relieve congestion, dry skin, and cold weather discomfort. The warm mist feature also helps sanitize the mist by reducing bacteria before release. This model includes a built-in humidity sensor, allowing it to automatically adjust mist output to maintain your desired humidity level. You can set a target humidity and let the humidifier regulate itself, which is especially helpful for babies, allergy sufferers, and wooden furniture protection. The unit operates at an ultra-quiet level, making it suitable for light sleepers and nurseries. The indicator light can be dimmed or turned off completely, ensuring a distraction-free sleep environment. Smart connectivity is another standout feature. The humidifier works with Google Assistant and Alexa, allowing voice control for power, mist level, and mode changes. Through the mobile app, you can monitor humidity levels, adjust settings remotely, schedule operation times, and receive maintenance reminders. Additional features include a 12-hour timer, safety auto shutoff, and an easy-to-clean tank design. Overall, the Dario HM713S is best for users who want smart automation, warm and cool mist flexibility, and long-lasting performance in larger rooms. Number 2. Levoit Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Home, 6L, Cool Mist Top Fill Essential Oil Diffuser for Baby and Plants, Smart App and Voice Control, Rapid Humidification and Auto Mode, Quiet Sleep Mode, Gray. The Levoit 6L Smart Humidifier focuses on powerful cool mist performance combined with smart convenience and aromatherapy support. Its large 6-liter top-fill tank provides extended runtime, making it well-suited for bedrooms, living rooms, and plant-filled spaces. This model features rapid humidification, quickly raising moisture levels in dry environments. It's especially effective during winter months or in air-conditioned rooms where dry air can cause throat irritation, dry skin, and plant stress. A key highlight is its auto mode, which uses intelligent sensors to adjust mist output based on real-time humidity levels. This helps maintain a comfortable environment without manual adjustments throughout the day or night. The humidifier operates in an exceptionally quiet sleep mode, minimizing noise and turning off unnecessary lights for undisturbed rest. This makes it a strong choice for babies, light sleepers, and nighttime use. Levoit includes an essential oil tray, allowing you to add your favorite aromas without damaging internal components. This adds a relaxing or refreshing element to your room while maintaining safe humidification. Smart control is available through the Levoit app, where you can adjust mist levels, set schedules, activate auto mode, and monitor humidity remotely. It also supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, offering hands-free operation. With its easy top-fill design, stable output, smart automation, and aromatherapy compatibility, the Levoit 6L humidifier is ideal for users who want simple maintenance, strong cool mist output, and smart home integration. Number 3. Humidifiers Humidifiers for Bedroom Home, 3.6L Cool Mist Top Fill 34H Super Long Time, Quiet 23 dB, Baby Humidifier, Oil Diffuser for Large Room, House, Plant, Nursery, Office, BPA-free, Ultrasonic, Black. The Humidifier 3.6-liter Cool Mist Humidifier is built for users who want quiet performance, steady moisture output, and simple everyday operation. With a medium-large 3.6L top-fill water tank, it delivers up to 34 hours of continuous runtime, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and plant rooms. This humidifier uses ultrasonic technology, producing a fine, consistent mist that spreads evenly without wetting surfaces. It's especially effective for relieving dry air symptoms like irritated sinuses, dry skin, and throat discomfort, while also helping maintain healthier indoor plants. One of its biggest strengths is ultra-quiet operation at just 23 decibels. This makes it suitable for babies, light sleepers, and nighttime use without background humming or vibration noise. The soft operation ensures uninterrupted sleep while still maintaining proper humidity levels. The unit also functions as an essential oil diffuser, allowing you to add a few drops of essential oils for a calming or refreshing atmosphere. This dual functionality makes it great for relaxation, meditation, or bedtime routines. Safety is a major focus with this model. It's BPA-free, includes automatic shutoff when water runs low, and stays cool to the touch. The top-fill design makes refilling quick and spill-free, reducing daily maintenance. Overall, the Humidifier humidifier is best for users looking for quiet performance, aromatherapy support, and reliable all-night humidity in small to medium-large rooms. Number 4. Everlasting Comfort 6L Humidifiers for Bedroom, Quiet 50HR Runtime No-Filter Supersized Cool Mist Humidifier Large Room for Whole House, Plants, Baby Nursery, Allergies, Dry Skin, Congestion, Indoor. The Everlasting Comfort 6-liter Cool Mist Humidifier is designed for large rooms and whole house coverage. Its oversized 6L water tank provides up to 50 hours of continuous operation, making it ideal for users who don't want to refill daily. This model delivers strong, consistent cool mist output, effectively raising humidity levels in bedrooms, living rooms, and open-concept spaces. It's particularly helpful for allergy sufferers, people dealing with dry skin, congestion, or seasonal respiratory discomfort. Despite its powerful output, the humidifier operates quietly, making it suitable for overnight use in bedrooms and nurseries. There are no filters to replace, which significantly reduces long-term maintenance costs and hassle. The adjustable mist control knob allows you to fine-tune humidity output depending on room size and personal comfort. Whether you need light moisture for sleeping or stronger output for dry winter air, the unit adapts easily. This humidifier is also excellent for plant care, maintaining steady moisture levels that prevent leaf browning and soil dryness. The simple design focuses on durability, reliability, and ease of use rather than unnecessary complexity. With its massive capacity, filter-free design, and long runtime, the Everlasting Comfort humidifier is best for users who want powerful, low-maintenance humidification for large spaces. Number 5. Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room, 3.5L Top-Fill Cool Mist Air Humidifiers for Home Baby Plants Nursery, Humidity Control and Night Light, White. The Smart Cool Mist Humidifier with a 3.5-liter top-fill tank is designed for users who want modern controls, customizable comfort, and visual ambience in one compact unit. Its capacity allows for extended operations suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, and home offices. This model features built-in humidity control, letting you set your preferred humidity level so the humidifier automatically adjusts mist output. This helps maintain consistent air quality without constant manual changes. The cool mist output is gentle yet effective, improving air moisture to reduce dryness, support better sleep, and protect plants and wooden furniture. It's especially useful in air-conditioned or heated rooms where humidity levels fluctuate. A standout feature is the integrated nightlight, which provides a soft glow for nighttime use. This makes it particularly suitable for baby nurseries or anyone who prefers subtle lighting without disturbing sleep. The top-fill design allows for easy refilling and cleaning, while safety features like auto shutoff prevent operation when water runs low. Its clean, modern appearance blends well with contemporary home decor. Overall, this smart humidifier is ideal for users who want automatic humidity control, quiet operation, and added nighttime comfort features in a compact, stylish design. That's our list of the top 5 best smart humidifiers here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique benefits depending on your space and needs. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.